Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 11th. India becomes a nuclear power 1998. On May 11, 1998, India successfully conducted nuclear tests at Pokhran in the state of Rajasthan. This operation was known as Operation Shakti. It included 5 underground tests that surprised the world and showed India's nuclear capability. The event made India the 6th country to declare itself as a nuclear-armed nation. These tests were done under the leadership of Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Since then, May 11th is observed as National Technology Day in India. Adolf Eichmann captured by Mossad 1960. On this day in 1960, Israeli agents captured Adolf Eichmann, one of the main organizers of the Holocaust. He was hiding in Argentina under a false name. The Israeli intelligence agency, Mossad, tracked him down after years of searching. Eichmann was secretly flown to Israel to stand trial for his crimes. His capture shocked the world and brought attention to Nazi war criminals still on the run. He was later found guilty and executed in 1962. Minnesota becomes a U.S. state 1858. On May 11, 1858, Minnesota officially became the 32nd state of the United States. It is known for its thousands of lakes and beautiful natural landscapes. Before becoming a state, it was a U.S. territory that attracted settlers with its rich farmland and resources. Minnesota played an important role during the American Civil War by providing many soldiers. Today, it is known for cities like Minneapolis and St. Paul. Its nickname is the Land of 10,000 Lakes. Bob Marley passed away in 1981. Legendary reggae singer Bob Marley died on May 11, 1981. At the age of 36, he passed away in Miami, Florida, after battling cancer. Marley was a global music icon known for songs like No Woman, No Cry and One Love. He used music to speak about peace, love, and social justice. His death was mourned by millions around the world. Even today, his music and message continue to inspire people everywhere. Deep Blue defeats chess champion Garry Kasparov 1997. On this day in 1997, IBM's computer Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. It was the first time a computer had ever beaten a reigning world champion in a full match. The event was a huge moment in the history of artificial intelligence. Kasparov had beaten Deep Blue the year before, but the updated version was much stronger. The victory shocked the world and showed the growing power of machines. It sparked new conversations about technology and human intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.